Well, Daniel Blair just aired it all out. This is going to come out the day after. I'm sorry. It's just how this is going to work. But on Twitter, as I'm recording this today, earlier this morning, he posted a short little clip, saying the truth will be aired out at 4 o'clock. And well, the truth that he aired out is a 38-minute and 53-second video on YouTube called The Truth, The Daniel Blair Show, basically dragging everybody through the mud. Lee Duffy, Ricky Carmichael, all the production bosses, all the big money people, just dragging them through the mud. And you gotta say this, and this is how just real life works. Everybody has a tint to how they look at things. So it's only his side of the story, obviously. So there is going to be some sort of bias to it. But I mean, it talks about him going on the Gypsy podcast and how people were mad at him for that on the backside, how he was told to be less like himself and be more of a 30,000 foot, not a 3,000 foot, broadcaster, and how he shouldn't do this, and how he's losing races there, and how he thinks he's doing good, and it's just dragging everybody through. I mean, it makes a lot of people look really bad if this is exactly what happens or happened. And if you look at the comments on his video, as I'm looking at it, has 21,000 views in 4 hours. It's Lee and RC suck. It's uh, just a lot of, because RC is bad at his job, a lot of negative comments towards, RC and the production and other people. And I don't know if this is going to be good for him or good for whatever. But I mean, it's literally 40 minutes of him going through all the way back to like 2020 in the residency about how he was supposed to have, this race and it got cut for this person, and how he said, people were telling him it's lucky that he even has his job and Lee is the guy. And man, it's if this is all what actually happened, this is all true, or whatever bias he has on it, it makes a lot of people look really, really bad. And I don't know. I mean, obviously he's had quite the year with the joke of the Vince Freezy tweet that he even said in this that he probably should have taken down as a joke because it got a ton of traction. And hey, I got sucked into it, whatever. Um, but he's like, I don't need him. I've got, he's got his own Supercross U thing going. He's got his own podcast thing going. He's like, I don't need him. I'm not gonna. Probably just doesn't want to play that game anymore. But so I'm gonna leave you guys. What do you think of the whole situation? I mean, obviously everyone has their favorite broadcaster or you know their own opinion on everything. But so I don't. That's what I'm gonna leave you. Comment down below. Go down there. Tell me what you think. Who's in the right? Who's in the wrong? Who do you believe? Whatever it is, go down. Comment below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.